Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to enable notification sound for a specific contact in Telegram on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your PC. Step 2. Right-click on the chat that you want to customize. Step 3. From the options that appear, select Mute Notifications. Step 4. In the sub-menu, select Enable Sound. That's it. You have successfully enabled the notification sound for the chosen contact in Telegram on your PC. Enabling notification sound for specific contacts can be useful if you want to stay alerted and receive audible notifications for important conversations. With this feature, you won't miss any crucial messages from specific contacts. Remember, you can always customize the notification sound settings for other contacts by following the same steps. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials and tips.